Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pinoy-style barbecue sauce. To begin, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of savory soy sauce, 1/4 cup of tangy calamansi juice, and a generous 1/3 cup of rich brown sugar. Don't forget the aromatic minced garlic, a dash of ground black pepper, and a special touch of banana ketchup to achieve that authentic Filipino flavor profile. These components are crucial for our delicious sauce. Now let's mix our incredible marinade. In a large bowl, combine the soy sauce, calamansi juice, brown sugar, minced garlic, pepper, and banana ketchup. Whisk everything together until the brown sugar completely dissolves, creating a smooth, uniform sauce. This ensures every bite will be perfectly seasoned. Once mixed, immerse your pork belly or chicken pieces, ensuring they are fully coated. Allow them to marinate for a minimum of 4 hours or, ideally, overnight for maximum flavor absorption. It's time to fire up the grill. Preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, ensuring it's hot enough to create those beautiful char marks. Place your marinated meat on the grill, turning it every few minutes. The secret to authentic Pinoy barbecue is constant basting. Use the reserved marinade, perhaps with a little extra oil, to brush generously over the meat as it cooks. Grill each side for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, until it's wonderfully caramelized and cooked through, achieving that signature sticky glaze. Your delicious Pinoy-style barbecue is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot off the grill, ideally alongside a generous portion of fluffy, steamed white rice to soak up all those incredible flavors. For an extra kick, prepare a simple dipping sauce of spiced vinegar with minced garlic and chili. Garnish your plates with some fresh scallions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an appealing presentation. This dish is perfect for gatherings, bringing a taste of the Philippines to your table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.